In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your work experience on LinkedIn. If you want a cleaner public profile or you're preparing a career move and prefer to keep your background private for now, this quick walkthrough will help you control exactly what others can see. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the LinkedIn website. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the top of the page for the Me tab. Click that, and in the menu that opens, select Settings and Privacy. This takes you to the dashboard where you manage how your profile appears and how your information is used across LinkedIn. On the left-hand side of the settings page, choose the Visibility section. This area controls what people outside your immediate network can see. On the right, find and click Edit Your Public Profile. This opens a page that shows a preview of your public profile, which is what visitors and search engines can view when they're not logged into LinkedIn. Scroll down the options on this page. You'll see a list of sections you can show or hide. Look for the sections labeled Past Experience and Current Experience. To hide your work history from your public profile, toggle both switches off. When the switches are off, those sections won't appear in your public preview, and visitors who aren't signed in won't see your work experience. There's no save button here because changes apply automatically. Give it a second and you should see the preview update. If it doesn't refresh right away, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. You can come back at any time and turn these sections back on if you change your mind. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're adjusting the correct toggles, since there are separate controls for different parts of your profile. If you want your profile to be discoverable but with less detail, you can leave your headline or summary visible while hiding your experience. Also, the layout may vary slightly from time to time, but the path through Me, then Settings and Privacy, then Visibility and Edit, your public profile remains the same. That's it. You've successfully hidden your work experience on your LinkedIn public profile. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.